Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever found yourself with two separate Canva projects and wished you could effortlessly combine them into a single, tidy document, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through a super quick and beginner-friendly way to merge two Canva documents into one. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to copy over entire pages, making your graphic design workflow smoother and your projects so much easier to manage. Alright, let's dive right in. First things first, head over to Canva. If you're new to Canva, just open up your web browser and type in canva.com or open the app if that's what you prefer. Canva is the go-to tool for all sorts of design tasks, from social media graphics to presentations, and yes, even documents. Once you're on the main dashboard, look to the top right and click on that colorful Create a Design button. This is where all the magic starts. Next up from the list of design formats, select Docs or Documents. This option is perfect for anyone wanting to create multi-page documents, basically anything from reports to ebooks or even meeting notes. Go ahead and choose a template that catches your eye. Canva has a ton of professionally designed templates. Don't get too caught up picking the perfect one right now. Just grab one so we can walk through the steps together. Here's a little tip. For this demo, you'll want to do these first couple of steps twice. That means you'll create two separate documents. This sets us up nicely to show exactly how you can bring one document into another. Maybe think of these as two chapters of a book or two versions of a flyer, whatever makes sense for your project. Now that you have two documents open, let's move on to the important part, combining them. Start with the first document. What you're going to do here is click on what's called the grid view. You'll usually find this by looking for a little icon with four squares, often in the bottom right or top bar, depending on Canva's current layout. Grid view is incredibly useful because it lets you see all the pages of your document at once, almost like laying out index cards on a table to organize them. Once you're in grid view, you'll see thumbnails of every page in your document. Here, where the magic happens, click to select the first page, then hold down the Shift key and click the last page to select them all. If you're on a Mac or PC, just use Ctrl+A to quickly select everything. Super handy. With all the pages highlighted, press Ctrl+C on your keyboard to copy them. Give it a moment. If your document has a lot of graphics, it might take a few seconds. Don't worry if it's not instant. Now switch over to your second document and open grid view there too. Find an open spot in the Pages area and just hit Ctrl+V to paste. Canva will automatically insert all the pages you copied directly into the second document. It really is that fast and easy. You'll see your new pages pop up. From here you can rearrange, delete, or edit them however you want, making your combined document uniquely yours. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully brought two documents together in Canva without any complicated exporting or reformatting. This tip is a lifesaver if you're working on team projects, merging class notes, or just trying to organize your ideas into one place. If you found this quick Canva tip helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you ran into any hiccups or if there's another Canva trick you'd like to see next. Don't forget to subscribe for more time-saving tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.